Buya umwanchu muri wetasene Ndizi TV nechinga kichindengo kwaregania twemanye mangana maya senchera yo wenge ninino kwegena nga mbuya ogendrete rietaria ne Dorcas Kemuma nani goto kubwata na Lydia Mose oyo konyamanya senchera yemanyero ne Sara mumanye ane kinga marogene chibicha awoikera senchera yo wekirano na bogo tobwati wetera senchera yemetanda asensemo ya Facebook watanyara buna Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube tobwati buna Ndizi TV News na boyigo ase mtandao wa website nyabuna www.ndizitv.net. Chinsa ni gocaragire Ikomi chabona maragoba n'ikitariki ne 25 na sitomotinyo gatatu omwaka bw'ekirwe 2024 Amayia ni gotukonya chaka korwa ase county ya Nyamira na kwariganirie abagendi b'ekipikipiki korwa ase Chinsa cyagacuba ebunge ya kitutu masaba me county ya Nyamira ni gobono baganirie abarayi korwa ase Chinsa mecho kubaroseria chipara erinde kubagusweria omosigo asense mo yabo yobo
Ndizi TV Ubwansu Gusii.
Bipolar disorder, this is a mental disorder. And mentally, if you are affected,
yes,
your memory will be affected.
Okay.
So memory is one of the major things get affected. Umuntu yunabera toke gakweba. Nato nabega kutwara usare samu bugen other symptoms sirio muntu akora. Muntu nabara abega kutwara egento tokoroka memory loss.
Yes.
Okweba kwa yenkobo at the same time nabokonyora kwa mutumigento oikokora kibinde bindotiga tari anja nesenginje umuchandoyo nanda bera tokabange nabakonyora ale talkative lakini taramanya nabwatu umuchando o bipolar undo yare talkative mono.
Ndizi TV Ubwansu Gusii.
Mwajumari otosabo kwabira ase ubukorekano asensemo yemetambo abagendi b'ekipikipiki korwa ase Chinsemo cyagacuba iyo gotoke bunge ya kitutu masaba imenye county ya Nyamira nigo bono basabire abarayi babo korwa ase Chinsemo cyo ko baroseria chipara erinde ko uswania omosigo bobosombe naboigo nigo baganirie chiciro korosigwa ase Chinsemo cyo erinde ko kinya opwonchoria ase county yo.
In Gachuba town, Ntobwate mechando sana ya security. Unoyo minta kuana about the security lights, ziko na shida. Tuirane in terms of security, bago biachakira baba, ebinge sana, ebi abo bisaba ito batari konyara ko bishughulikira ntoma itinga nesenga joyo komenya egeka.
Muna chitaya chaito street race chabegetwe chinde njire cha saregete mugambya gatote bina cha chibeke gitara chibeka
yera magosa manne toroseli chitaye chimna gwa tabi na tokomanya no gendrete gasi gwatera na nkonyuri mweshimiwo bwaya naye kora mana intu ekebande gwa tabe tingo toroseli ole tuachire kuganya tora toroseli ntoma itinga ngitu akorete toroseli kebande gitu gichipigipigi eni to ndrere gasi na intu to manyanga ntore ime county ya Nyamira
ne omugambyo ite gavana ngairete ntu ebegete buya toka mutumira matuko akororanie binte bibinde byonsi nero ichiro ta ba akoba kuyeba obore bimboikire nyasore na marua yatancheirie aywa korira magima y'abantu baito
Tugos kamote mwanju muriria omurai bwense Dr. William Ruto nigo ritukoria rero achakia bene omurobiri bwechigosori echa amaminyoko yechigari oyo manyakaine buna WRC safari rari imeyo mocho Nairobi asama gacho KCC ase amamirani ayo nigo bonara chikokorekana ase Chinsa mocha Naivasha imeye county ya Nakuru chinga kecho nigo Ruto abaganiria abakenya ochengera chitimu chenseto ya Kenya na boigo ni gaira chinga kichaya kuganiria abakenya pasaka engia.
Powerhouse with prowess that extend beyond athletics. Kenya's position as a top destination for motorsport is placed beyond debate by Safari Rally. You simply cannot find a rally as tough, compelling, beautiful, and rewarding as the Safari Rally in Kenya. I take this opportunity to express deep gratitude to the International Automobile Federation for its decision to reinstate Kenya to the World Rallying Championships calendar, making the Safari Rally one of the 13 events spanning Europe, the Americas, Africa, and Asia. For our part, we have done our utmost to deliver yet another exhilarating edition of the Safari Rally after a successful event last year. We are therefore thoroughly prepared to receive rally enthusiasts from around the world, greet them with the epic contest of high-speed racing, and treat them to the warmth, hospitality, and generosity of the Kenyan people. Ladies and gentlemen, I encourage all Kenyans to come out in large numbers to support our teams and celebrate Easter in style. Let us join together in welcoming all our visitors to magical Kenya, the beautiful country of humanity's first home. And to all our visitors, you may have realized that Kenya has now eliminated all requirements of visa for any person coming from anywhere in the world, because Kenya is the home of humanity, and we welcome you in Kenya with the greetings, welcome home to all of you. The 2024 WRC Safari Rally.
Waziri webyombe amono bonjororia obakoboke imeyenseto ya Kenya Simon Chelugui nigo bono atebire una nigo obotenereria obobe amo na bogo gose ogokendo kyagarire ogotagendera gwechisako amo nebyombe na singencho yobotenereria obobe na boigo ogotabeka emerobo birio yabo bwikirano nigo bona bolire abana inche anene abali ababwate ebyombe amo nechisako kobeka emetwamo na kweneke nganko bekabale emerobiro bwikirano elio kwegendereria ase chisako cyabo amo nebyombe byabo.
Regulatory regime. The reason why many of them collapse is because there is no oversight. They don't follow prudent management, prudent financial management procedure. There is no one to watch to see what they do. They make erratic decisions sometimes, and in the end, they make the wrong investment. As we speak today, regulated SACCOs are not allowed to invest in capital activities like property and building without an annual general meeting, without an annual delegates conference, without regulatory approval. That means they are guided and their investments is evaluated by a third body to see their viability. So it's not possible in the regulated sector, regulated SACCOs to go into erratic decisions, investments. The second issue is the level of management. The level of management is still low. The use of technology is also low, so they are bound to be attacked digitally. Cyber crimes are high, and we've seen also fraud affecting these SACCOs. So the shared services platform is going to onboard even the small SACCOs to support them with technology, which is very expensive, to mentor them in a code share arrangement, And this is maybe we're giving them, because we appreciate that SACCOs, chamas, the table banking is our way of life. The Arambes that we have, people come together, youths come together, form a CBO, collect money, lend each other over the table, share and pay back. Progressively they graduate to be SACCOs, and eventually they become regulated.
Omo waziri buborendi Adan Duale nigo bona tebna serikali nigo egendrete kobeka emirobero yogochi kwena kyangangu kora bare mochando bwengusana no yechindemero ime yense kakokwana chinga kyarenge imeye county ya Wasinigishu nigo Duala tebire buna nigo omochando egati yechindemero che serikali amo na bananchi orentire liberera anena sensemeyo ya mailimbiri asebono alinge gotema wasina kole engusanano eyo yabeire ase egati ya yendemero ya amachoni amo na bananchi bensemeyo ya mailimbiri asibona teniani ya serikali ra chikone kinga kero montongo cyale koirania endemero echiri babegose ali ababeire bakoira koro asensemo ya serikali.
Wacha nimalize Ramadhan tarehe 10. Baada hiyo nitakuja hapa ili nipambane na wale wakora. So we are committed to resolve this matter. Land Commission is committed. Ministry of Lands, led by the Minister and the PS, is committed. KDF and the Ministry of Defense, we are committed to resolve this matter. And I want to challenge the leadership. You must be committed, and the stakeholders. If you will not be committed, Kisii will go and brief the Commander-in-Chief who comes from this county. Because we want to finish this, we go to Isiolo. We want to finish Isiolo, we go to Marsabit. From Marsabit, we go to Meru, we go to Kwale. So it's not only here, we are resolving all land disputes that we have. Na nataka watu wasome the Physical Planning Act as amended. Nilikuwa leader of majority zone, najua sheria nilipitisha. Ukiwa hata jirani ya kambi yoyote ya jeshi Kenya na unataka kujenga, hiyo kitu unataka kujenga, it must be approved by the Chief of Defense Forces. Kwa sababu kambi zetu are security installation. Hata wale DOD tuko, how many floors you can go, you must get the concurrence. So viongozi wa Kibombe, viongozi wa Singishu, mimi nawaomba mfanye kazi na sisi tuko hapa. Tusuluhishe
Omokonye bomorai bwense rigathi igashawa niga borire abasai gwesona ni ase chigosori erinde kwerusanania no botumeki bwa marwa amone binyugwa bigotindia kagukwana ime yomocho Nairobi nigo gashawa atebina chigosori nigo chira chigokonya ase gukora gosokorwania esegi ya marwa amone binyugwa bigotindia egati ya basai ime yense.
Sports is very important, and I want to thank you and encourage you to continue. Hii maneno ya mchezo ndio imetutolea pombe wa watu na madawa ya kulevya na mambo ya depression, the way you have said. You know I'm leading the fight against alcoholism and drug abuse in the country. And I am not going back because we are almost losing an entire generation. But fighting alone is not enough. We need to back it up with sports facilities. Hiyo kama sasa hapo Kapsabet hiyo stadium tunaishughulikia. Pale Eldoret 64 stadium tunashughulikia. Pale Kamarini tunashughulikia. And also we are going to work with the Governor Sang. Zile viwanja dogo dogo pia na yashughulikie. We continue enhancing our facilities for athletics and other sports. So that is something that we shall be able to do as
Abarimu nigo baburirie abaibori kubaikange abana babo chinga kechi bagochikugirana ase chinka ase omotimoko omoke nigo baburirie abaibori kwene kinga ngoikirania bare amaganio ya abana babo aria baganete anene kubaorokereria ninki babonete gokora nigo baigo batebire buna abaibori abange nigo batigire abana babo isiko anene abana baria babwate ebyegwa ase bono baburirie abaibori koika abana abo na kumanya ebyego byabo nabo igo kubasira.
Mtaala wa 844 na kuingia katika CBC, mahali ambapo sasa tunalenga zaidi kukuza vipawa na vipaji vya wanafunzi, na hivi sasa shule nyingi ambazo hazikuwa zimekumbatia suala hili la sataranji wameweza kukumbatia.
Nafurahi kwa sababu shule nyingi zimekumbatia huu mchezo, especially tukielekea katika mfumo wa CBC. Chess ni michezo ambayo inasaidia watoto katika ubunifu na kutengeneza na kuwafanya
Mwancho mulingo kukoiranira ngambi ya monaso kurigeria gitasene kya Ndizi TV Amayia Chinsa Ikomi eritariane Dorcas Kemuma na nigo twabatanere Sara Mumanyi oyone kingama ryogene chibi cha wikira senchera yo wikirano nere Lydia Mose oyone kinga kwa manyire wetira senchera yemenyero twara oborigererio abuye eminye Ndizi TV obwanso obomogusi.